Hello, today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to create a group, which means gather all the lights of your choice to control them simultaneously. Recently we decided to integrate a faster way to make groups. You simply need to press and hold for 2 seconds on one of the lights you want to include inside the group. You'll now see all the lights you have connected. Simply choose the ones you want to include. When this is done, simply press on Confirm on the top right side of your screen. Now, simply choose the name you want for your group and press on Save. There's also the following second way to create groups. First, press on any of the light you want to include in the group. Secondly, press on the small icon that is shaped like a pencil, located on the top right corner. Now, go down a little and press on the option Create Group. You can now select the lights you want included in the group. After you're done selecting, press on Confirm located on the top right corner. Now, name the group. When you're done, press on Save to confirm your group creation. As of now, if you go back to the previous page, you will see that you can now select the group you just created. All the modifications you do are going to apply to every lights that are a part of this group. Thank you for watching and see you next time.